Today we are working in the red Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal, and we are covering 7.5 today, and it is on scale drawings. And for number 1, 2, 3, and 4, it says we're going to use a scale factor of 1 to 8. So the scale factor is basically the ratio that compares the measurement of the drawing to the actual measurement. So if our scale factor is 1 to 8, if we know our height is 168 inches, we want to know what our actual height would be in feet. So we got to be kind of careful because on these 4 they go back and forth with different units like inches to feet, centimeters to meters, inches to feet, and inches to feet. So we just got to kind of pay attention to that. So if our height is 168 inches, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 168 and times it by the scale factor of 8. So we times that by 8, we're going to get 1344. And then we're going to take that and we're going to divide it by 12. And if we take 1344 and divide it by 12, we're going to get our answer of 112 feet. So 1344 would be in inches, and we just want to convert it to feet. So we convert it to feet by simply dividing it by 12. For our painting, the width is 200 meters. We want the width to be in centimeters. Again, you got to kind of pay attention. We basically need to do 200 divided by the scale factor of 8, and if we do 200 divided by 8, I have to grab my calculator. We get 25. Oh, I shouldn't have had to grab my calculator for that. 25. Now that would be 25 meters, so we need to turn that into centimeters. So we're going to go 2,500 centimeters. It's been a long day. For the alligator, the height is 6.4 feet. We're going to take 6.4. We're going to divide it by 8. We're going to get 0.8. 6.4 divided by 8 is going to give us 0.8. And then from 0.8, we're going to times it by 12 because we want it in inches, and there are 12 inches in 1 foot. That's going to give us 9.6 inches. And then finally, for the last one, number 4, the train is 36.5 inches long, and we want to know what it would be in feet. We're going to do 36.5 times 8. It's 292, and then we're going to divide that by 12. 292 divided by 12 is going to be 24 1/3 feet. So take 36.5 times it by 8. 36.5 times by 8, and then divide by 12. And that would be 24 1/3 feet. So 7.5, dealing with the scale factor in our red Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal. And the scale factor we used was 1 to 8. Now your scale factor might change. That's just the scale factor that we used on these problems. You have to just pay attention to see what your scale factor is on the problems you are working on.